Hi, in this video I'd like to show you how to make fail-safe Yorkshire puddings. Must have for every Sunday lunch. This requires 3 ingredients and guaranteed to work every single time. No need to buy Aunt Bessie's anymore. The first thing you'll need to do is put your oven on 230. And let this heat up. Put it nice and hot for when we come to put the Yorkshire puddings in. Second thing is your tins. Need a nice heavy duty quality tin which can retain the heat. You then need to put oil inside of the tin itself. Now you can use, some people say duck fat, I just find oil is fine. All I've got in this oil spray is vegetable oil, which is just rapeseed oil. And you just need to spray it in each one. Just one spray will do. It's getting a little bit low, it's so hard to spray. Then we need to put the tin inside the oven to heat up. The shelf in the oven needs to go kind of midway to allow for the air to circulate and Yorkshire puddings to rise. So as I said, all this needs is 3 ingredients. So we have eggs, decent quality fresh eggs, milk, I've got semi-skimmed here, you can use full fat, and plain flour. They're the only 3 things you need. Easiest way is to do this is to get 3 cups the same size. In cup number 1, put the amount of eggs you require. So there's only 2 of us, so I'm just going to do 2 eggs, which will still make 8 Yorkshire puddings or so. So what we need to do now is check how high the eggs go inside of the cup, and that's what we're basing our level of milk and flour on. So the next cup is the flour. Need a good size dessert spoon, and you usually find that one really high packed dessert spoon is about the same as an egg. So shake it so it's flat, and what you're looking at is to try and get this exactly the same height as the eggs. Oh, it doesn't matter if it's a little bit more or less, but as long as it's roughly there. And again, so these are the same height as you can see, and the third one you want the milk, and again the same height as the others. All you need to do with these is put the ingredients together and stir it, mix it. Now what I find easier is using a sports bottle with an agitator inside of it, and I just shake it for that for about a minute. So try not to put the flour in first, because if you put the flour in first it will stick around the bottom. So try and put liquid in first. So eggs, flour and the milk. Agitator lid on. And as I say, this needs a good mix for about a minute, just to make sure the ingredients are all mixed together that well. Right, it's past a minute now, so I'll just need to leave this to a side whilst we wait for the oven to heat up. After a few minutes, the oven's now got to temperature, so what we need to do is pour the mixture into the dishes. Now, I tend to find about a third full is probably about enough. So as I say, this mix of 2 eggs would probably do about 8. So a third to a half full. Get the oven closed, and then we just need to leave it and wait. Take about 20 minutes or so to cook, but we'll keep our eye on it. Right, there took about quarter of an hour or so, and I think they're done. Let's get them out and have a look. Yep, come up the tins very easily. Look perfect. And there you go, perfect Yorkshire puddings every time. I've never had a failed batch yet. If you like this video, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.